For a decade, the tech industry has sold us a specific vision: glasses projecting magical, glowing holographic interfaces directly onto our eyeballs. But if you've put on a pair of smart glasses recently, you know the reality falls completely flat. The devices are heavy, they look deeply awkward in public, and die in just hours. This animated flowchart shows exactly why that happens. Powering an immersive augmented reality display generates massive thermal output. Managing that heat demands a larger battery, and that oversized battery adds crippling weight to your face. The industry is stuck in a physics trap. As long as engineers insist on cramming a screen inside the lenses, it is impossible to build a comfortable all-day wearable. Apple's rumored 2027 AI glasses approach this problem by entirely rejecting that industry consensus. Instead of trying to invent a marginally lighter screen, Apple is reportedly removing the visual overlay entirely to launch a strict displayless first generation. Dropping the screen instantly bypasses the massive thermal and battery bottlenecks we just looked at. The power consumption profile of the device drops to a tiny fraction of a standard headset. By deliberately cutting the one feature everyone else is chasing, Apple frees up the physical space to build a device you can actually wear from morning until night. Without a power-hungry screen draining the system, the internal hardware can undergo a radical diet. The custom, ultra-power-efficient silicon architecture running inside the Apple Watch is exactly what Apple is modifying to serve as the brain for these new frames. As we can see in this network flow visualization, the glasses won't do heavy computing themselves. They act as a tethered companion, continuously beaming a high volume of raw data down to your paired iPhone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The phone crunches the numbers and fires a tiny data packet back. Offloading all that intense calculation to the phone in your pocket is the primary defense for the glasses' incredibly small onboard battery, letting it run continuously without a massive power cell. Apple is building a hyper-efficient sensory node, effectively a new set of eyes and ears for the iPhone you already carry. Curious, this raises an obvious question. How do you accurately control a computer when there's no screen to touch, no keyboard to type on, and no mouse to click? The answer lies in a specialized dual camera system embedded seamlessly into the frame of the glasses. One camera operates like a standard high-resolution lens for capturing photos and videos. The second is an ultra-wide, low-resolution lens, dedicated entirely to computer vision. That second lens continuously tracks your environment. It interprets natural hand movements, like pinching your fingers together in the air, and translates them instantly into software commands. Hiding the interface inside those tiny lenses gives Apple a massive aesthetic advantage. The final product looks like traditional luxury eyewear, carved from premium acetate rather than cheap injection-molded plastic. By making the hardware practically invisible, Apple crosses the uncanny valley of wearable tech, creating a device people would actually feel comfortable wearing to a coffee shop. Stripping away the screen converts the device into an augmented intelligence wearable, deeply integrated with the software of iOS 27. The entire feedback loop shifts from your eyes to your ears, relying on built-in open-ear speakers and a multi-microphone array. Imagine staring at a product on a store shelf. You whisper a quick command, and Siri uses visual intelligence to analyze the object in front of you and quietly add it to your reminder list. The device acts as an ambient translator. It quietly interprets the real world for you, rather than plastering a distracting digital menu over it. While competitors spent billions trying to force bulky, screen-heavy headsets onto consumers, Apple chose a sleek, audio-first path. This unobtrusive form factor reveals a strict design philosophy. Wearable technology should adapt to standard human fashion. We shouldn't have to look like cyborgs. A device that prioritizes extreme, all-day comfort and frictionless convenience is positioned to vastly outlast headsets relying on immersive visual gimmicks. This strategy hinges on a single radical bet. The most innovative technology is the kind that gets completely out of your way.